You ever feel like AI is evolving faster than you can Google it? New models, new tools, new benchmarks, new buzzwords, and somehow everyone around you seems like they've figured it all out. You're not alone. Even as a product marketing manager at Google, I felt that pressure hard to stay relevant, to keep up, to not get left behind by a wave I could barely explain. And I'll be honest, at first I struggled. Not because I didn't care, but because I didn't have a roadmap. There was too much noise, and I didn't have a technical background. But after 2 years of testing, embedding AI tools into my workflow, and even running workshops to battle test what I'd learned, I can tell you with full confidence, the problem isn't that you're behind. The problem is that nobody has shown you a system. So in this video, I'm breaking down 3 invisible challenges holding most people back with AI, and exactly how to overcome them with practical, no-fluff strategies. And I promise, by the end of this video, you'll have a totally different relationship with AI. Let's go. Challenge number 1, AI tool paralysis. Let's play a game. Try to name every AI model you've heard of in the last 6 months. Exactly. Our smartest model yet. Now with real-time reasoning, agentic intelligence at scale. All these buzzwords are starting to blur together. The hype cycle is real, and it's exhausting. And here's the mistake most people make. They assume newer means better. But in real life, that's rarely true. Let me give you a personal example. When OpenAI dropped GPT 4.0 preview, it crushed every benchmark. The internet exploded. It's the best model ever. Use it for everything. But when I tested it, it was slow and expensive. Meanwhile, GPT 3.5 was fast, cheap, and plenty good for most of my day-to-day work. If I'm drafting 5 emails, I don't need the Mona Lisa of language generation. I need speed. I need clarity. And 3.5 got the job done. That's when I realized benchmarks don't equal real-world value. The trick is to stop chasing tools and start building your stack. That's where the minimum viable toolkit comes in. Here's how it works. Step 1. Identify one recurring pain point in your workflow. For me, it was researching ad trends. Step 2. Test 2-3 tools for that specific use case. I tried ChatGPT, Gemini, Perplexity, and Consensus. Step 3. Pick the one that feels fastest, easiest, and most reliable. For me, Perplexity won. I committed to it, mastered it. Now it's a permanent part of my stack. And the rest, I ignore. The same goes for other categories. Writing, ChatGPT, research, Perplexity, brainstorming, Claude, scheduling, motion automation, Zapier plus AI triggers. That's it. 3 to 5 tools that do 80% of the heavy lifting. Anything new? I test it on weekends. If it doesn't blow my mind, it doesn't make the cut. Pro tip, keep a tools I tried page in Notion, so you don't forget what worked and what didn't. Let's keep going. Challenge number 2, death by prompt. Let me ask you this. How many times have you copied the same prompt from a Google Doc? That perfect paragraph that sharpens your tone, rephrases your email, or summarizes a report. And how many times have you forgotten where it was saved? This is what I call death by prompts. Great prompt, terrible access. Here's how to fix that. Step 1, use a text expander. If you do nothing else today, do this. I use Alfred on Mac. You can use Raycast, free, or BeefText on Windows. You set up a shortcut like Oso or Rewrite, and instantly it expands into your full editing prompt. Boom! 2 seconds saved. Multiply that by 20 per day. It adds up. Step 2, link prompts where you work. This is the biggest mindset shift I made. You don't need a prompt library. You need prompt access in context. Example, every Monday I write a team update. The prompt for summarizing status reports? It lives in the calendar event. Every time I draft a YouTube script, I use the same 3 prompts. They live inside the script template. No searching, no friction, no excuses. The faster you access your prompts, the more likely you'll actually use them. And if you want to take this to the next level, build a Notion database. Store prompts, tag them by use case. Link them directly from your docs, events, or tools. I'll drop a full video on this soon. But trust me, it changes everything. Real quick, if this is resonating, like and subscribe. It helps a lot and keeps this content coming. Let's hit the final challenge. Challenge number 3, update overwhelm. Let's be real, there are too many AI updates. Every week, it's something new. Google agents, open source LLMs, multimodal inputs, API launches, prompt competitions. And it creates this pressure to know everything, everywhere, all at once. That's not just unsustainable, it's toxic. Here's how I manage it. I call it the impact loop. 2 steps. That's it. Step 1. Curate one source of daily updates. That could be a newsletter, like Ben's Bites, a podcast, like AI Daily Brief, or a Discord channel. Pick one. Skim it every morning. Bookmark what interests you. Step 2. Block 1 hour weekly to test one thing. On Saturdays, I open my To Explore folder. Pick one saved link. Test it. If it helps me, I implement it immediately. If not, I move on. You don't need to master everything, you just need one win per week. If you do this consistently, you will outpace 95% of people who are just scrolling, because they're consuming, but you're creating systems. Let's bring this home. You're not falling behind. You're just overwhelmed by tools, friction, and noise. Here's your roadmap. Build a minimum viable toolkit, automate, and embed your best prompts. Filter the noise and create an impact loop. These 3 shifts will save you months of trial and error. Because AI isn't just about knowledge, it's about leverage. And now, you've got the systems to use it. If you found this helpful, like and subscribe. Check out my AI toolkit below. It's free and will save you hours. I'll see you in the next one.